in Indonesia. Storming start from Miguel Oliveira on the number 88 factory KTM.
Miguel Oliveira powers his way out of the final corner and eases past Fabio Quartararo.
Here comes Oliveira. That's the battle for the race lead, and it's now in the advantage of the Portuguese man. Miguel Oliveira snaps up the inside of Jack Miller. Miguel is the man in Mandalika, a famous win here for KTM in our first Indonesian Grand Prix in a quarter of a century.
The last couple of months had not been easy for me, and so to be back like this with this incredible win is for sure really emotional. I promised my daughter I would get her a trophy from Indonesia, so this one is for you, baby.